name is Asif Ali Sarfraz Ali. My school name is NMC Urdu School number 41, Kathra, Nasik, Maharashtra. I study in 7th standard. Teachers Day speech. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. We celebrated Teachers Day on 5th of September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. Teachers Day is a best way for students to express love and respect their teachers. Teachers make our future bright. He help us to become good human beings. On this day, I want to thank you to all my teachers for all your efforts and dedication.